All right, stats teachers, here's how you can create random samples with replacement or without replacement in GeoGebra. So for my example, I will use this set of data here. What I've done is I've used the sequence command. The sequence command creates a list of objects in sort of a for loop kind of a manner. So what I'm doing is I'm returning W as W ranges from 1 to 20. And so what I'm doing is I'm creating a list of 20 integers in a row to help me illustrate the difference between a sample with replacement and a sample without replacement. If I go to this next line, my list L2, this is a random sample. The command is sample. I'm taking my sample from set L1, which is the list above. I'm taking a sample size of 10, and my value for the replacement is true. In other words, I'm sampling with replacement. So as you can see, that this list above are distinct integers, but there are 2 6s in this list, which means I'm sampling with replacement. In set L3, same command, sample from L1, sample size of 10, but replacement has been set to false. So once a number has been selected, it is removed from that set and it can't be selected again. And you guys at ModSim have been working with me this week. Instead of creating a button, I've created a slider that allows me to re-randomize my data. And you'll recognize the command that goes in the button, or it goes in the slider. It's the same command that we put in our button, our update construction. And if you wanted to compute the means of these samples and put those means into another set, you would just add the appropriate commands into your slider. So that's taking samples with replacement or without replacement in GeoGebra.